Once upon a time in the small town of Toonville, where melodies fluttered through the air like leaves in the wind, there was a magical school bus unlike any other. This bus, a cheerful yellow with flashing silver wheels, was not only a way to school but a place where laughter and songs bloomed daily. Every morning, as the children ambled up to the bus with sleepy eyes and loose shoelaces, a soft hum would begin to emerge from those shiny wheels. It started as a gent murmur and grew louder as more children clambered aboard. By the time the last child stepped on, the bus was bursting with the song, "The wheels on the bus go round and round." Abby, a tiny tyke with pigtail braids, reveled in the sea chorus, as did Tommy, who usually kept to his comic books. With every verse, from the wipers going, swish swish swish, to the horn going, beep beep beep, the children would act out the motions, turning a mundane ride to school into a joyous journey. The bus driver, Mr. Hoots, often wore a broad grin, his eyes twinkling in the rearview mirror as he watched the children sing. He believed the bus was enchanted, and not just an ordinary vehicle. With every stop, the B.U.'s choir picked up a new voice, growing stronger and more vibrant. Today, as the wheels twisted and turned through the lanes of Toonville, past Baker Street and over Clover Hill, a new song was chosen. "Ba Ba Black Sheep" had the kids bellowing with laughter as they pretended to share wool with those who were cold. As the bus rolled into Gleeful Elementary, the children hopped off, spirits high and hearts light. They carried the tune into their classrooms, spreading joy through music, their magical journey continuing on foot. And thus, in the charming town of Toonville, the wheels on the bus didn't just go round, they spun stories of joy and song, enchanting every child who climbed aboard.